Yo, hold on. Yo, we gotta fire Drew because there's a bunch of girls asking us who the fucking cameraman is. What happened? Shut them mad.
On the phone. Hold on, you fucking. We gotta trespass me off the boat. Hold on. Hey, 911. You're in Jupiter. Hold on. Can you please trust? Some guy's upset. He wants to trespass me off his boat. I think you gotta come and trespass me off it. The FWC. Oi! Yeah, you gotta come. We're somewhere. Oh, let me hang up. Fuck you! Fuck the police! Fuck the police! Oh! Hey! Rip the boat! The police are coming! I'm on probation. Rip the boat! Let's go! Hey!
Give me the mic.
Hey, the boat's just fucking sunk. Hey, the boat's sinking. Hey, Ed.
Hey, boys, that boat just fucking tipped. This little dinghy here. No fucking way. I see Drew fucking fight for his life. Bro, what the fuck? I see Drew shit himself.
I thought I was gonna die.
I see Drew shit himself.
Hello, mate. Are you guys from England?
Yeah.
Tell me about me.
Hey, Drew, your life was on the line there, bro. 40k's worth of equipment nearly sunk. Holy fuck.
I'm from England.
Go on, keep dropping that, mate. Mate, that boat just nearly went underwater. Giving it lemon, your boat can't hold 12 man. Mate, let's sink that fucking boat.
You guys should
tell your friend to stay the fuck away.
Oh, bro, no one. No one, bro. I will fuck every one of you, man, up. If you touch my boy, I'm just saying, bro. Touch him then, touch him then, bro. Touch him then. Mate, trust me. Touch him, I'll take all of you.
Hey, your boat's sinking, bro.
Right, if you can afford a better boat, then we'll talk, yeah? You got a fucking Poundland boat. Bro, touch him and see what happens.
I'll fuck all you guys up.
Chill. Let's say, what did he do?
What did he do? There's no beef between any of us. I believe you guys.
I think you man need a bigger boat. What did you do?
FWC. Shut it down. I'm old, I'm big on. I like you youngins. We're coming.
Hey, mate, they can't stop this. Fuck them.
They're minors.
Let's get to our boat.
Throw it out.
Get to our boat. Get over.
Throw the drinks out.